How are you been enjoying the summit?
I've been just having the best time. I feel like I'm at like sleepaway camp for stomach cancer patients. We're able to laugh, enjoy, connect, and it's just been so heartwarming.
It's been really cool to finally meet people that I feel like I've known forever.
Not being able to be in person for such a long time, so to finally be back, to finally be in a space under one roof is a beautiful experience for me.
It was eye-opening. It's not a conference for education. It was a place for us to become family, a place for us to come home and, commune.
It's not often you get the opportunity to see these patients that you become friends with years and years out.
This is my tribe. I've just, basically adopted all these people into my family and into my life, and I hope to continue to be a part of their journey.
And I'm really fortunate to be here.